One of the basic topics that I have never covered in mathematics up until this point has been the lowest common denominator. And I guess the real reason I haven't yet is because I've had to cover so many other complicated topics that I thought, well, we'll just save this kind of almost to the last. Let's take a simple problem here. We have 1/2 plus 1/3 plus 1/4. And we're supposed to get a total out of this. And you're sitting there going, man, how am I ever going to get a total out of this? Because you really can't add 1/2, 1/3, and 1/4 in its current form. Well, let me solve the problem for you. Let's put down all the multiples of the lowest denominator that we have. Well, the lowest denominator that we have is 2. We have a 3 here, we have a 4 here, but the lowest denominator is 2. So 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, so on and so forth, all the way until we get up to 12. Now take a look at that 12 very carefully. As you'll notice, 12 can be divided by 3. 12 can also be divided by 4. So we're going to hang on to that 12. Now, what times 2 is 12? Well, the answer is 6. What times 3 is 12? Well, the answer is 4. And of course, what times 4 is 12? And the answer is 3. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this number here times 6 over 6. This number here times 4 over 4. And this number here times 3 over 3. Okay? Now, if you take 1/2 times 6/6, it will come out to be 6/12. If you take the number 1/3 and you multiply it by 4/4, you'll get the number 4/12. And if you take the number 1/4, right here, this fourth, take it times 3 over 3, you will get 3 over 12. So now you have a math problem of 6/12 plus 4/12 plus 3/12. Now you can add them together. 6 plus 4 plus 3 is 13. So 13/12 is your answer, and that becomes 1 1/12 if you wanted to reduce it down. And that's your answer. Now you know how to do the lowest common denominator. I will tell you more in a future video, so stay tuned.